Ever wonder what the most common challenges faced by novice drivers are? From understanding traffic rules to mastering the art of parallel parking, the road to becoming a proficient driver is laden with hurdles. But fear not. Today, we delve into essential driving tips that will turn those challenges into smooth sailing. First on the list, invest in quality driver's education. It's crucial to learn from professionals who can provide comprehensive knowledge about traffic rules, road signs, and safe driving techniques. Remember, driving isn't just about maneuvering a vehicle, it's about understanding the road and acting responsibly. Next up, ensure you have a valid license. It might seem obvious, but a license isn't just a card with your photo. It's proof that you've passed a standard set of tests and are deemed capable of operating a vehicle safely. Thirdly, adjust your vehicle for comfort. Your seat position, the angle of your mirrors, the distance to the steering wheel, all these elements should be tailored to your comfort. Comfort equals control, and control is key when you're on the road. Moving on to the fourth point, avoid distractions. The road demands your full attention. Whether it's a buzzing phone or a chatty passenger, distractions can lead to accidents. Make your vehicle a distraction-free zone to ensure safe driving. Fifth on our list, stay calm. Driving can sometimes be stressful, especially in heavy traffic or unfamiliar areas. Maintaining a calm demeanor helps you make better decisions and react appropriately in any situation. And finally, the sixth tip, practice regularly. Like any skill, driving improves with practice. Regular driving sessions, both in varied conditions and on different types of roads, will build your confidence and enhance your driving skills. To summarize, beginning your driving journey can be daunting, but with the right approach, it's a challenge you can conquer. Remember to invest in quality driver's education, always drive with a valid license, adjust your vehicle for comfort, avoid distractions, stay calm, and practice regularly. These simple tips can make a significant difference and help you navigate the road with ease and confidence. So buckle up, start the engine, and enjoy the ride.